Are you struggling to see significant hair growth due to not being able to retain the length of your hair? Is your hair constantly dry and you're having a hard time keeping it moisturized? Do you suffer with an itchy or irritable scalp? And are you tired of using products that contain ingredients that you don't even know what they are and what issues they may be causing? Do you constantly feel the need to wear wigs, weaves, and extensions because the health of your hair is not where you would like it to be? I can relate to every last one of those issues. You see, I struggled to achieve healthy hair and scalp for years, and after countless setbacks, many trials and errors, and years of research, I finally found the solution, and that was to eliminate all synthetic toxic ingredients completely from out of my hair care regimen. Once I did this, my hair and scalp began to flourish. So I decided that I wanted to share all what I have learned with you in order for you to achieve the same. And that's when I decided to create a completely free informational 5-part YouTube video series based off of everything I have learned and experienced. Within this series, you will learn how to build your very own holistic hair care regimen tailored uniquely to your own hair and scalp needs. You will learn how to know what works best for your hair and scalp, how to effectively track and monitor your progress, and you will learn the benefits of every single ingredient that is going to help you to achieve results. We're going to take things step by step so that by week 5, not only will you have a structured plan in place and the recipes to the products that are going to enable you to reach your healthy hair goals, but more importantly, you will have the knowledge that you are able to pass on to your children, your friends and family for generations to come. Let's say goodbye to toxic hair care practices and welcome non-toxic, healthy, holistic hair and scalp health. I am proof that holistic hair care practices work. It's time to take your own hair health into your own hands because natural hair deserves natural care. Let's get into the video. Welcome to episode 3 of Naturally Natural, because natural hair deserves a natural care. No synthetic ingredients, no chemicals, and no confusion, just clarity and transparency. Greetings sis, my name is Selena, and in today's episode we are going to be talking about the conditioning of our natural hair. It's time to replace our store-bought synthetic toxic ridden conditioners with a more natural holistic conditioner, and today I'm going to show you a tutorial on how you are able to do this. We are going to be using ingredients that are going to give our hair strength as well as moisture. Now, if you have not already checked out episode 1 and 2, those are the ones that you need to watch first and then come back to this one, because we are building a holistic natural hair care regimen, and those two are just as important as this one, so be sure to check those out and then come back to episode 3. Without further ado, let's get into the tutorial. So today I decided to opt for Henna Sook's Ayurvedic Plus as a conditioning treatment, which contains a mixture of Sisyphus, amla and cassia. I'm going to go into detail about all of the benefits of the herbs contained within this product a little later on in the video. For those of you that don't know, I haven't used a formulated store-bought natural hair product on my hair since October 2023. Everything I have used since then has been from nature, and the difference it has made to my hair, my scalp and my overall health is absolutely incredible. This is the reason why I create these types of videos, to help those who are trying to do the same. I think it's important to understand that most store-bought conditioners are filled with synthetic ingredients that coat your hair to make it feel soft and shiny, but they don't actually nourish or heal your hair. Many of them contain silicones, which create a fake layer of smoothness by coating your strands, and over time this buildup can actually block moisture from penetrating your hair, leaving it dry and brittle. A lot of them also contain parabens, which can irritate the scalp and disrupt your hair's natural balance. And not to mention, a lot of those store-bought conditioners also contain harsh alcohols and artificial fragrances. These ingredients don't actually improve the health of your hair, so who benefits from those ingredients being within those conditioners? You and your hair, or the manufacturers of the products? My hair is freshly washed. I did my hot oil treatment first, then I used my DIY African black soap shampoo, tutorials of which of course can be found in episode 1 and 2. If you're someone who wants to build an all natural, holistic hair care regimen, all you have to do is follow the steps in episode 1 to episode 5, and by episode 5, you will have all the information and ingredient recommendations that you need in order to have a complete, all natural, healthy hair care regimen in place. This is the regimen that I have been following for 2 years, and if you watch this video, I show you lots of comparison videos over those 2 years so that you can see the difference this regimen has made to my hair. You'll see that the integrity of my hair strands has improved, my scalp health has improved, my hair is growing at a faster rate than it has ever grown before, and of course, I'm retaining that length. Here's a top tip for you if the health of your hair and scalp is a non-negotiable. When you're about to use a particular product on your hair, I want you to start asking yourself, are all of the ingredients within this product that I'm applying to my hair nourishment or not? If you can respond yes to every ingredient you are using on your hair, you're going to increase the chances of not only growing out strong, healthy hair, but you are significantly reducing the risk of absorbing toxic ingredients through the scalp. The ingredients I'm using within this conditioner, as well as all the other ingredients that I'm showing you how to make within this 5-part series, deeply nourish the hair because they're full of vitamins and minerals. They strengthen your hair from the inside out, okay? They encourage real moisture retention. They protect your scalp health. They promote long-term hair health. So every single ingredient has a specific purpose and is beneficial to your hair, your scalp, and your overall health. So let's go over the benefits of the ingredients contained within this conditioning treatment. The Ziziphus, which is also known as Sidra, is a natural cleanser that doesn't strip the natural hair of its natural sebum. It's rich in saponins and tannins which help to strengthen the hair shaft, making your hair less prone to breakage and split ends. Regular use of this product helps to coat your hair strands, making them feel thicker and give a fuller appearance. It reduces frizz and enhances curl definition by coating and smoothing the hair cuticle. Its strengthening and scalp nourishing properties help reduce shedding. It soothes and detoxifies the scalp due to its natural antibacterial and antifungal properties. It adds a beautiful natural shine to the hair, and it can help to protect the hair against sun exposure, hard water, and pollution. Cassia, which is also contained within Henna Soot's Ayurvedic Plus, strengthens the hair strands because it binds to the hair cuticle, filling in weak spots and making the hair shaft stronger. It reduces breakage and shedding by fortifying the hair shaft. It enhances shine and luster, and this ingredient also helps to smooth the hair cuticle, making your beautiful coils appear more defined and clumped. Cassia is very similar to henna, but it doesn't deposit colour onto the hair strand, so this is a great alternative treatment to use on your hair if you want that strength without it changing your hair colour. You'll see that my hair colour, when the sun is shining on it, has golden and coppery tones throughout, but that's because I use henna on my hair regularly, and it's actually the henna that has changed my hair colour, but this is literally only noticeable when the sun's shining on it. In all other lighting, trust me, my hair looks black. Not gonna lie though, I do love the colour that henna has given to my hair. So as I said to you earlier, I've been using all natural ingredients on my hair for 2 years now, and I do these types of conditioning treatments on my hair at least twice a month. In fact, let me actually tell you what a typical month in my hair looks like on wash day in relation to the conditioning aspect. So week 1, I'll do a henna treatment. Week 2, I'll do an all natural super moisturizing coconut milk treatment. Week 3, I'll do my cassia treatment, whether it's using Henna Soot's Ayurvedic Plus or just plain cassia mixed in with some other herbs. And then week 4, I'll go back to a more moisturizing conditioning treatment. So I'll use amla and aloe vera mixed in with some shea butter or honey. And I literally have this on rotation. So every 2 weeks, I'm doing more of a strengthening treatment. And in between that, I'm more focused on moisturizing treatments, because focusing on that strength and moisture balance is what is enabling me to retain length on my very fine type 4 high porosity natural hair. I'll leave useful video links in the description box so you can check out the tutorials for each of the conditioning treatments that I do on my hair. I did a 6-month hair challenge which began in November of 24, which resulted in these results, and that was by following this hair care regimen that I'm showing you within this 5-part series. So of course I have to embark on another 6-month hair challenge in November of 2025. As I said, it's going to be for 6 months, so please do let me know if you're going to join me on that challenge and if you'll be using the tips that I'm giving you within this 5-part series to create and build your very own all-natural holistic hair care regimen. Now, I'm not trying to put you under pressure, okay? So please do hop onto the challenge whenever you feel ready. It doesn't necessarily have to be in November 2025 like me. It can be whenever you like, but drop me a little message in the comments if you're feeling inspired and think you might give this healthy hair challenge a try. I've done a detailed video explaining all of the steps that I'm going to take within that challenge so that it all goes smoothly and successfully like the last one. So I'll link that video down in the description. So I'm going to cover my hair with my plastic shower cap and leave this conditioning treatment on for about an hour before rinsing it all off in the shower using warm water. An hour later, after washing out the product, this is what my hair looks like. It feels really strong yet moisturized and extremely soft. My coils are nicely clumped and my scalp just feels so invigorated. Now it's time to step up the nourishment by spritzing my herbal hydration mist onto my hair and scalp, which is going to help to effectively hydrate my hair, which aids in length retention. And if you watch episode 4, I show you exactly how to do that. Thank you so much for watching episode 3, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Take care.